We've talked about Addressable for quite a while, and buying audiences, and there's been quite a lot of development in the industry along those lines. And GroupM has been very involved all along, launching Finecast. You have Modi Media. Tell us about sort of the opportunities around what we call addressable, either addressable audiences or addressable homes. And of course, it varies around the world, but where do things stand now, and where do you see them going?
So degree of targeting varies across the world, but the principle behind it is very much the same. It's consistent. The concept here is television in its legacy form is remarkably effective at creating top of the funnel awareness, right? But in marketing terms, we have to move awareness to unaided awareness. We've got to move that to consideration. Consideration needs to move to preference. And once you have preference, you need to execute. You need to force something to become a transaction, right? Television has enormous capabilities beyond top of the funnel. And addressability is what enables that. Now, you never stop doing top of the funnel. You've heard me say many times that, if you focus all your effort on identifying and picking off the lowest hanging fruit, and you don't put any effort behind watering the tree to ensure that there is more fruit that becomes low hanging, what you wind up with is a dead tree and no business, right? And legacy TV is the watering of the tree and ensuring that there is long-term fruit on the tree. But making the process of identifying and capturing low-hanging fruit is what addressability is about. And there is a real role there for marketing. It puts marketing on steroids when it's done right. And the role of a business like ours, the role of GroupM, isn't to sit there and talk about what we wish would happen, right? There's a wonderful Peter Drucker line that says the best way to predict the future is to create it. Well, if not us, then who? And we find partners around the world that are willing to work with us, and we cajole the ecosystem into enabling us to do what we need to do. And in terms of geography, where that's happened, we've had pretty good success in the UK. That's an active business. We are making huge inroads in Canada. I'm heading to Australia in a month. Foxtel there has gone addressable. We are working really hard in China. We've got Thailand marked as a potential opportunity, more for OTT type applications, but addressability in any case. And I could go on and on and on. And, we pick a market, we infer the degree that we can get the ecosystem created, and then we try our best to make it happen. And we would not be fulfilling our responsibilities to our clients if we didn't do this proactively.